just this morning I made this money. As you can see, I made 2,677 naira 50 kobo using this the unit of counting the amount of money you are earning online. So look at how I made the money. I signed up, I created the account. If you can see the date, just now within, it's not even up to 1 hour, I made this money now. So by 6:20 a.m. I made this money. For sign up, I was given 20 LP, welcome bonus 25 LP, making 45. And let me show you the proof. So this is when I sign up, I confirmed the email and I made this money 45 LP. As you can see, 1 LP equals to 7 naira 50 kobo, right? And it takes 2,000 LP to earn 15,000 naira. So let me show you. Let's continue. So I did the first survey here and I was given 156 LP, and I did the second one, I got another 156 LP, which makes total of 357 LP, and it sums up to 2,677 naira 50 kobo. So it remained 1,643 remaining LP to make the exchange, that is to balance 15,000 naira, and I was able to withdraw money now to PayPal. So this is how I made this morning. I was doing some research online on how to make money. Like I used to tell people that there is money online. So I got this opportunity and I said, let me quickly share it with you guys. Why I'm making this money, I want you guys also to be making that money. I don't want to wait when I will make a whole thousands, millions or whatever before I will show you. So I just want to show you the step, like this is working, and you should also be doing it and make your money from this now. So if you have comments based on this, you want something, you want to ask one thing or the other, just drop it in the comment box. Don't come to my DM, drop it in the comment box, because why you comment and like my video, it's actually help this video to rank well by YouTube. So I want to show you now how to do this, the site and everything about this. Now I want to quickly show you everything, and I want you to do it to make money, guys. So before I do it, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, I want you guys to subscribe, give me a like on this video, and drop your comments. Drop it in the comment box what you feel about this video, guys. So without further ado, let's go. So as you can see, this is my own account and I want to sign up new one now. So the site is surveylama.com. so this first thing to do, let me quickly do the sign up and show you how it works. I don't want you to make mistakes, so make sure you follow and watch this thing to the end. So I'll quickly fill up this now. First name, name and email. Then I'll click on the register for free. You should put correct in here, like my own. You know, my own is correct. I put everything there, correct email, everything, correct name, and I will withdraw this thing to my account, right? But you also, you should use correct thing. This one is just a demo thing, just to train you, to show you how it works. So I'll click on register for free now. So next thing is to put password here. Look at it, said it was contain 6 and 20 characters. It must contain at least one, you know. Just make sure you follow this, or you can go online and search for free online password generator. So when search for this now, you can go for this first one here, Avast, then click on it. Okay, look at it now. This has, I've given you very strong password. Just click on copy. That is not compulsory to use this kind of password. If you know, you can, you know what, you can brainstorm to bring out something that will able to match all this, it's okay. But if you don't know, you don't want to waste time, you can just do what I just do for you now. Paste. You see now, fine. So that password, you have to save it, right? So save it somewhere, then click on continue. So this pseudo means that I think it's nickname, so that's what they're referring to, nickname. So I put this nickname there. Then gender, are you male or female? Then your birthday, date of birth, sorry, your date of birth should be anyhow you want. You just put the correct thing there. Now I will just put something random here. So I'll click on continue. All right, so next thing is, yes, I have, right, you just have to tick all these, tick this, then click on continue. So look at it now. This is where I was given the first 20 units, the LP, right? So they sent me email. So let me go and check my email now. All right, look at the email sent to me now. So if I confirm, look at this 20 LP. So if I click on confirm now, I will be credited that amount now. So let me open it in the new tab. Open a new tab. Just it's the same thing to confirm. Just look at it then. Confirm email address 20. So I'll click on retrieve now. Welcome to Survey Llama. So I just complete 3 surveys per day to earn extra reward. So let me click on continue. Let me show you something what they mean by to earn extra reward. Let me quickly go and look at it now. This make 45 LP. You see now we have been given 45 LP now. That's the unit of the money. Now by taking this survey now, look at it now. This first one I did, and I did this second one. and 156, 156. The third one I attempted it, but I was told that I was not qualified, so I should wait after. Let me quickly show you. So look at it here, 357. Let me show you. Okay. Wow. Okay. This was when I did the second one. You can see it was 201, right? And I still have this and this there. So I think I did this one then. All right, let me refresh. Let me see. Maybe they have updated things. Let me go to my polls. Maybe there is okay. No, now look at what I'm talking about now. They say reload the list of polls. So maybe after several hours now, they will put new one there so that I will be able to participate. Then I said complete one survey to receive 20 LP bonus. So I have done 2 out of 3 now to make it 3. If I'm able to complete 3 now, they will dash me an extra bonus of 20 LP. And don't forget the amount I've made from this now, over 2,000 Naira with this now within short period of time. And so let me continue showing you what I'm talking about now. So you now just coming fresh now, you have the opportunity with this 45 LP. Now let me show you my earning. Let's go to my earning. Now look at how much you have made now. 20 LP, that's for account confirmation and welcome bonus 25, making 45 LP. Everything equals to 337 Naira 50 kobo. All right, look at it now. So when you get to this thing complete, you're able to click on withdraw my earning and you withdraw to your paper, continue from there. So let's go back now to my poll, close. Then you can now start doing your survey from here. This one is adverts. This is a Google ads. You see, don't click on this one. Now it's only this place. So this section is where you'll be. This is my poll. This section you'll be clicking. All right. Partner offer. This is also partner offer. You can make money from it. So you can click from this one or this one. Start your survey, and when gotten, boom, you make your money. Or after that, I can also do this one, participate and make money from it. Now if you have questions, you can click here now for questions. So when you click on the questions category, this is where it will take you to, and you can click to have understanding more on this website. Anything you want to know about registration, account functioning, rewards and survey, and many other things you can also get from this. Everything has been answered for you. So this is the great opportunity I have for you. You may be wondering, like, what if I able to get this thing and maybe earn your 15,000 Naira now to withdraw? We are seeing paper, and you'll be like, I don't have paper account, how will I do this now? For paper, go and check this place now. This video around here, I think I'll put it around here now. Go and watch it, maybe around here or here, I don't know. Go and watch the video is there. I'll put it to learn about paper, or I'll put it after this video now to watch. Okay, maybe check the description box. You still link to go and watch paper, how Nigerian or non-eligible country can create paper account that can send and receive funds. I have my own paper, and the same way I created my own paper is what I made in that video for you guys. So go and utilize that video to have your own paper to be making money online. So guys, if you have interest and mini export business, you want to go into export full-time to make either full-time or part-time, go and watch these videos. If you have interest in making money online, go and watch this video. If you have interest in free money or free grants, go and watch this video. And this is our new video. Thank you guys for the love and for staying tuned. Bye for now.